Electric Spray Air Cushion Massage Comb Review. Does it really work? In this video, I am going to give you an honest review of the Electric Spray Air Cushion Massage Comb and tell you whether it actually works or if it is just another overhyped social media gadget. You've probably seen this thing all over TikTok and Instagram, videos showing dry, tangled, messy hair turning smooth and shiny in seconds, with captions promising hair repair, faster growth, and salon quality results at home. So I looked into what this product actually is, what it can realistically do, and where the advertising crosses the line. Let's break down what it actually is. The Electric Spray Air Cushion Massage Comb is a real, physical product. It is not a scam in the sense of being fake. It is essentially a hairbrush with soft, cushioned bristles built on an air cushion base, combined with a small built-in misting function. As you brush, it releases a light spray of water or a hair care liquid to add moisture while you detangle. Some versions also include a scalp massage function and even a red light mode. Now let's talk about what it can realistically deliver. First, gentle scalp massage. The flexible cushion bristles do provide a relaxing massage feeling while brushing, and that part is genuine. Second, added moisture while detangling. The misting function does add light hydration, which can make brushing more comfortable, especially on dry or slightly tangled hair. Third, more comfortable daily brushing. Compared to a stiff traditional brush, the air cushion design is genuinely gentler on the scalp. Here is where you need to be careful. The advertising for this product often shows dramatic, instant transformations, frizzy or messy hair becoming perfectly smooth and straight in one swipe, damaged hair looking instantly repaired, and claims of accelerated hair growth. Realistically, a brush that adds a light mist cannot replace professional hair treatments, deep conditioning masks, heat styling tools, or medical treatments for hair loss. If you have curly, wavy, or significantly damaged hair, you should not expect the same dramatic results shown in promotional videos. Those results are often achieved with additional styling products, filming techniques, or hair that was already in decent condition to begin with. So does it work? For what it actually is, a misting detangling brush with a scalp massage function, yes, it does what it is designed to do. But for the exaggerated marketing claims around hair repair, growth, and salon-level transformations, no, you should not expect those results. Now for some pro tips. Before buying, compare prices across multiple marketplaces. Since very similar versions of this exact brush are often available on other retailers at a noticeably lower price than the heavily marketed version. Also, don't judge the product based on promotional videos alone, since those are often filmed under ideal conditions with extra products involved. And if scalp massage and gentle detangling with light moisture is genuinely what you are looking for, this type of brush is a reasonable option. Just go in with realistic expectations. That's my honest breakdown of the Electric Spray Air Cushion Massage Comb. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns like this one. Let me know in the comments, have you tried this brush and did it match what the ads promised?